This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Union Minister in charge of Law and Justice Kiren Rijiju visited Ri Bhoi in Meghalaya yesterday and held a review meeting on the performance of various schemes that were implemented in the district. Ri Bhoi is one of the aspirational districts among the 112 selected in the country. The review meeting was held at Nongpo in the presence of Ri Bhoi Deputy Commissioner Arpit Upadhyay and officers from line departments. Speaking to media persons, the Union Minister lauded the line departments of Ri Bhoi for their tremendous performance in their implementation of various schemes. Mr. Rijiju said that the main aim of launching the schemes for the aspirational districts is to make a new India in terms of economy. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC) has said that the Meghalaya government has no authority to hand over private land to Assam after the two state governments had adopted the policy of give and take to resolve their boundary disputes in 6 of the 12 areas of difference. KHADC Chief Executive Member Titostarwell Khain told reporters that before acquiring any private land, the state government would need to get the consent of the council. The chief ministers of the two states had finalized the memorandum of understanding without taking the council on board, he maintained. The KHADC had convened a meeting with all the Himas who submitted petitions opposing the memorandum of understanding between the two neighboring states. The Manipur government organized a Block Level Health Melas yesterday at different districts of the state as part of the 75th Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and state government's 100 Days Action Plan campaign. During the health mela, free health checkups were conducted and medicines were given to the people. Different counters for COVID vaccination, consultation with specialist doctors were also set up. Health officials also conducted awareness campaigns on balanced diet and hygiene. The Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya, will conduct the National Deworming Program from today till the 26th of this month across the district for all children between the ages of 1 to 19. The deworming program will be conducted through school-based and community-based door-to-door approach. Administration of albendazole tablets to all children and adolescents will be carried out by the frontline healthcare workers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed deep grief over the demise of table tennis champion Vishwa Dinadayalan from Tamil Nadu, who died in a road accident on his way to Shillong from Guwahati. In a tweet, Mr. Modi said, Dinadayalan was admired by fellow players and had distinguished himself in several competitions. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, and Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur have also expressed their deep anguish over the demise of the promising table tennis player and conveyed their condolences to his family. The driver of the tourist taxi, Dipal Das, also succumbed to his injuries after the car was dashed by a loaded truck on the highway. The 83rd Senior National Table Tennis Championship began yesterday at the Sports Authority of India Indoor Stadium, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong. The National TT Championship is being held under the aegis of the Table Tennis Federation of India and organized by the Meghalaya Table Tennis Association in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya. Around 450 players from 36 different teams from all over the country are participating in the week-long event. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Medba Lingdo inaugurated the championship and wished all the players success. State Sports Minister Bantedor Lingdo shared a condolence message from the Meghalaya government following the tragic death of national-level table tennis player from Tamil Nadu, Dinadayalan Vishwa, who passed away following a car accident on Sunday. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.